Ready to transform your Fiverr profile from average to absolutely irresistible and capture those dream clients. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Your gig image is the first impression. To open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document, set the width to 1280 pixels and the height to 769 pixels, which is the recommended size for optimal display on Fiverr. Choose RGB color mode and 72 pixel resolution, then click Create. Now, the fun begins. Consider your service. What do you offer? For example, if designing social media posts, a vibrant background, perhaps gradients, or relevant stock photos of social media interfaces are good choices. Experiment with different fonts. The fonts should be legible and convey the tone of your service. Use bold headings. Layer your elements thoughtfully. Text should be easy to read. Your branding should be clear. Consider using a color palette that resonates with your service. Use clear, concise text highlighting the key benefits and showcasing attractive images or graphics. Make use of the shapes, the graphics, and text tools available. Once your design is complete, export as a high-quality JPEG or PNG to your desktop. Navigate to the File menu, select Export, and choose Export as. Select JPEG for smaller file size and faster load times, with a quality of 7080% or PNG to maintain its better image quality. Now, head over to your Fiverr profile and replace the image with your masterpiece. Remember to optimize your image. Don't forget to upload it to your Fiverr profile and be sure to save the file and also save it for future use. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to attract clicks and start earning.